Alright, this is a video in response to the alien sounds in the Cornfield movie. I saw that, and honestly the sounds were they're pretty creepy, and but we discovered that they're not quite legit. They're not really alien sounds. These are actually sounds that can be reproduced by anybody with two phones. What I got here is my cell phone, house phone, cell phone's on speakerphone. So just listen to this, tell me what you think. Hold on. Hear that? You hear that, like, echo from hell there? That's what that sound is that you heard in that video. It's two cell phones. It's basically just a feedback sound. Anybody can do. So, there you go. And that's how you make alien sounds.